Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be making one of those videos where they make the cracking clay cuties. Anyway, so to start off with, I just took some of this air dry clay, and it's just a lightweight clay from Hobbycraft. I will leave all of the details of it down in the description down below. I just shaped it out into a ball, flattened it down on my desk, and shaped it into a marshmallow type shape. What I then went ahead and did was added them onto a cocktail stick just so that I could hold them whilst I was painting on the layers of the glaze. In order to glaze the clay, I just went ahead and I used some clear nail varnish and I just covered it in loads and loads of layers, letting each layer dry in between coats. So the nail varnish that I used, I actually just got from Tesco. It's just a standard clear top coat. I went ahead and put about 10 layers in total, leaving it to dry in between coats as I previously said. I did move on and actually use this matte top coat from Barry M just because I thought it might suit the marshmallows a little bit better, but to be honest it bubbled a little bit, so I wouldn't recommend using this for yours. Once I had around 10 layers of the nail varnish, I then went ahead with a Posca paint pen and I just went ahead and drew a little face on the marshmallows. So I did little different faces on all of them, and I used this paint pen because I already had them, but if you don't have them, you can of course just use acrylic paint with a little cocktail stick or a dotting tool. I actually used acrylic paint for the tongue and the blush either side of the eyes with a cocktail stick because I didn't have a pink pen. So once I had all the little faces on the marshmallows, this is what they turn out like. I think they looked absolutely adorable and I was super sad to be able to crush them, but at the same time I really wanted to. So this was the first one, the second one and the third, and all their faces are so cute and kawaii. When crushing their bodies, it sort of looked like it had marshmallow fluff coming out because of the clay, and I absolutely loved it. This is why I decided to do this design in particular, because I thought the marshmallows would work really well. They did turn out super sticky, but I actually really liked it as it added to the effect. I noticed the first original crack was the strongest and loudest. And oh my goodness, it was just so satisfying. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up as it really does help me along my way. Let me know which one of these was your favorite marshmallow, whether it was this one, or the third one with the closed eyes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave a comment down below of any suggestions you may want to see on my channel, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!